Hello again. I'm standing at the lookout at Wilyabrup Sea Cliffs. This is a place that you'll get to for morning tea on day 3 of your Cape to Cape trip. I'm now at the bottom of the steps leading up to the top of the Wilyabrup cliffs. They're not as bad as they look, and much better than what was there before, which was an old, very eroded limestone track. So 3 things are true here. Take one step at a time, make every step count, and at the top you're rewarded with a magnificent view and morning tea. You get to the top here, you start to get a good look at the view, and there's even a seat to sit down on and get your breath back. Fantastic. Well, here we are, nearly the top of the cliffs, sitting in the sun, kicking back, get my breath back, and here's the view I was talking about. Now down, standing directly above the cliffs of Wilyabrup. You can see the surf crashing in behind me, and these 30 to 40 metre high cliffs are often a mecca for local rock climbers. If you're really lucky, if the swell's up and the dolphins come in fishing, you'll get a body surfing lesson from them that you'll never forget. Something to look forward to. Bye for now.